Hey everyone, this is David Mueller from Monetary Ocean, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it is to list items for Merchant Fulfilled on Inventory Lab. A lot of people are switching to Merchant Fulfilled during this FBA downtime, and I just wanted to make this video to show you how fast it is to do it. So you go to New Batch, you fill it out however you want as you normally do. The only main change is you change the channel from FBA to Merchant Fulfilled Network and create. So then you list your items. Continue listing all the SKUs like you normally would. So now that I have all the products that I want to list for Merchant Fulfilled, all I have to do is click Review Batch and Submit. Sync the feeds, and you are done. It might take just a little bit of time, probably the standard Amazon 15 minutes, but after that your products are listed for Merchant Fulfilled. Thanks for checking out this video. If you guys could drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. So until next time, this is David Mueller at MonetaryOcean.com. Don't wait, dive in.